do you start this thing?
You're an idiot.
Kill switching them right here wouldn't be fun. Fine, I'll upshift. Fuck you. I'm gonna go under there, watch. No, no.
I'm trying to do my intro, I missed my turn.
Okay, you gotta fit yourself in there, huh? Jeez. Nice bicycle. That is the dumbest thing ever.
You're an idiot.
Ah, there he is.
Good to see you, man. Building right there. 30 by 40.
Whoa!
Yep.
New pad.
The man cage's gonna be 30 feet wide, 40 feet deep. 2 overheads. Actually, my wife talked me into it.
You don't realize you're gonna be living out there.
We're gonna head out this way, go north to Jonah, over through Weir to Walburg. We're going to go check out that old cotton gin where they filmed part of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
You made me kill switch myself.
You're an idiot.
Duck, 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 duck. We're here on the San Gabriel River. TexR6s. Ridetovictory.
What's up?
So, what did we tell you about touching the ducks? What are you doing?
See if I can pet it.
Yeah.
You can pet that one.
You are so wrong. This is how they built bridges back in the day.
Shit, right? A bucket of concrete at a time.
Now we're talking. Come on, Tex, don't hit those brakes. Oh, come on. Too slow. I gotta slow down just to speed up. Up, gravel. So this is what's this called again? This is the Hutto Gin?
Walburg.
Walburg, that's right.
Yep.
We're in the town of Walburg.
The Walburg Cotton Gin is listed as number 4 in the top 10 most terrifying places in Texas. This abandoned cotton gin was used in the 2003 filming of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. It was called the Old Crawford Mill in the film. It sits wide open and untouched. Many props from the film still remain on the site, including a broken down 1960 Chevrolet Viking tow truck, a bench, and the remnants of an old tractor.
I gotta go yell at that lady. She's killing my audio.
I'm sure she would appreciate that.
I'm making motovlogs over here, you know! Sorry, we're closed. Wow. Yeah, he's right. Unless Brain is somebody that lives around here. Heaven or hell.
Purgatory.
Want to come back after dark?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, now we're talking. Ah!
You always have to prefix it with, I'll be right back.
Yeah, it'll just be a minute.
You always say that right before it goes out.
Oh yeah. Now we're in here. See, now we have...
Let the record show that it's not a no trespassing that.
Yeah. Wow. Check these wooden boards. Wow. Start it up. Hey, do you have any WD-40?
Need a lot of it.
I'm gonna play it safe. Yeah. Of course, we'll come outside and Tex will be gone. Tex! All 3 bikes are gone. Now, are you going to be standing there, turning around, looking over your shoulder? That would be funny. Oh, yeah, there we go. Do one of these like you're thinking. Now, can you do me a favor?
Want a picture?
No, I want a video. Concentrate. There we go. Now, with this lens on the GoPro, objects, yeah, never mind.
Everything's bigger on TV, guys.
Yeah, the camera adds 10 pounds, and here it is.
You're an idiot.
And that concludes our broadcast day.
Like and subscribe.